Hey guys, it's me, Pomeranian Princess. And if you guys can leave in the comment section below if I can change my intro, what would it be? And for this video, you guys saw the title, 10 minutes of Subway Surfers. So let's get right into the video. I like the sound though. Update the app. Sorry, I don't need to go to Peru. What? So I have to buy this guy. Sorry. Nope. Oh, advance. Let's get right into it. I don't know what that blue thing does, so please comment down below. By the way, I have a cup, so if I cough minute to minute, do not worry. I just have a bad. Oh God, that was unpredictable. Let's just do this more, shall we? I usually don't talk. If I do this, it'll make me concentrate more, but since I have to do it for this video, I have to, so that it will keep you guys not bored and at the same time all that stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna move it here. Oh God, I need to use this. Pause the game. I'm gonna move you guys here so that you guys can see. Lower down the sounds. By the way, I'm wearing headphones. Headphones or earphones. I don't know what you guys call it, but it's still the same thing. I have to go get the ladder. I don't feel so good, but I have to do it for you guys. And comment down below for those who are sick. Give me some tips on how you guys control your coughs. You know. I also have the sniffles. It's okay, guys. It's fine. Dude. Oh gosh, I can't believe it. Well, at least it's just a short word. Ah, the fudge. I have 8 keys. I don't care. I highly recommend you guys do not get the jump boost. It will literally kill your life. I got it by accident. I'm so sorry. What the heck? I got this. 2 times hoverboard, double tap jump. I'm gonna double tap. Can you guys give me like 10 seconds? Alright, well that's finished up. Let's get into the video. I could literally play 10 minutes of Subway Surfers for you guys. So I'm gonna post this at the same date I just posted the earlier video. But for tomorrow, I don't post. I maybe not post anything that's long because why did I get the jump boost potion? I'm such an idiot. So maybe I won't post a video tomorrow, or maybe I will, but because we're gonna go somewhere like Sipalay City. Another cough. Because we have to do something of our finance, blah, 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 of a business there. So yeah. Also, we have a lot of stuff to do, and we have to go there because this is our last chance of going on vacation because our school's about to start. Well, don't worry. We went to vacations already. We went to Dumaguete City. We've been... Oh, okay. Oh, gosh. Why did I not get that? We went to Siquijor. A lot of places. I love this game. It's also sure. Oh, I didn't mean to do it that way. So... What else? Trying hard to beat 19 people in 5 minutes because it's about to finish. I can't believe this. My voice is cracking. But you guys have that feeling that you're coughing, but then, you know, your voice when you sing is so good. That's how I feel right now. It's like, oh yeah, like better than my normal voice. It feels more fluent. And I just died. And I don't know what that loot thing was, but I wanted to get it. I really want to pause this game right now. Down here. I have a sniffle. I have the cold. What's going on here? I have to drink my medicine. I love the sound. It's like when you're in a hurry. I'm ready ×5. This is so fast. Oh, come on. I was like gonna move to the left portion. But then I found out that there was 2. Nope. Oh, come on. I just love getting power-ups, but not this kind of power-ups. Run out now. Get down. Keep playing. I ran out of ideas, but at least I beat this up. This is probably my last game. Let's make this a little challenge, shall we? Count how many deaths I have and comment down below. Sorry about that, guys, but I just got trailed. Okay, I need to get escape bar for this one. Okay, one last game. No way. I don't have to die. Wait. I feel so bad. Get it. Come on closer. Up. Die. You can't die, Lalo. Come on. Let's get going into this. Wait, how many coins did I collect? Oh yeah, save. Jet save. Okay guys, don't mind me, I'm not going to be talking for a couple of minutes. Oh, the heck. What did I just do? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, get a skateboard because you're feeling, if you feel unconfident, guys, I get a skateboard. I'm feeling confident. Get going with it, girl. Get going with it, girl. Get going. And now I just eventually used all my skateboards. Great. I don't know if you guys call it those, but... Keep quiet, low. No, you can't die right now. You can't, like, die. Oh, come on. Well, at least I got some skateboards. What? Well, guys, I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to comment down below what else you guys want to watch. So, I love you guys. Bye. Pomeranian Princess out.